Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chidi here. What's up? How is everyone doing? I wrote down things I wanted to do. Okay, I had plans, legit plans. I had things I wanted to do. I told myself, okay Chidi, you're gonna film 2 videos today. You're gonna clear your closet because everything is just so messed up in there. Tops are wet, trousers are wet, tops are, skirts are wet, like everything is just so messed up. Okay, because I like keeping my things like trousers here, tops here, skirts here, and all of those good stuff. And I told myself, okay, that you're also going to wash your hair today, right? And guys, I think it's what now, noon. The only thing I have achieved, okay, I shot a video, 1, and yeah, 2 things. I am shooting the next video, but guys, what I wanted to do in this video, I don't have the energy to do it anymore. So I'm gonna show you how messed up my closet is. And look at my hair. I wanted to wash my hair, but guys, I don't even have the energy to do that. I do not. And I can't be bothered. My closet messed up. I wanted to clear my closet, but guys, I'm gonna do that. Welcome to my closet. So guys, this is one side of it, this is another side of it. This side, we are not even going to go there. No, we are not going to go here. No, we are not. So this side is where I hang my clothes, like the shirts, the wherever I want to hang. So this is where I put them, because that is what this section is for. The hangers are all there and everything. So but here is where I keep like my daily clothes, or if I just want to go to the supermarket to just get something. So this is where I keep them. Okay, and over here, over there is where I keep like my cream, my body spray, my perfume, and all this good stuff. But that is not what we are doing today, so don't even bother about this place. Yeah, so I wanted to clean this whole section here. I don't know if you can see here. Can you see here? I don't know. My sheets, here I have trousers, here I have dress, here I have shirts, here I have tops. Like everything is just so messed up. Okay, so I wanted to like put them together. Okay, but guys, I don't have that energy to do that anymore. And also I wanted to do that and we talk, okay, talk about some things, okay, like people, please. There's this thing going on in Nigeria right now. Okay, so our president lifted up our lockdown, I think in Lagos, Kogi State, Cross River, or something like that. I don't know. So but guys, the thing is, there is a curfew right now. So from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. people are not allowed to go out. And I'm wondering, like, I am just confused. Hold on. So this virus now, it operates at night, like from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. and then from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. it goes on break. I just need somebody to just explain to me, because I don't know the meaning of what this man is doing. Does that even make sense? Like him putting a curfew, and the curfew starts from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. What does that even mean? Because I am confused. I know, like, because guys, this lockdown has affected a lot of people. Okay, it has. Okay, people are hungry, people are out of jobs, people like want food. Okay, and that is one part of it. But on the flip side also, this lockdown has helped to reduce, okay, the spread of the virus, because when people are home, they can actually contain this thing. But being at home and not working, not getting any money, not getting anything from anybody, guys, it's not a joke. It is not a joke. Okay, so I understand the purpose for the lockdown. I also understand why people don't want to stay home. Okay, but what I don't understand is this curfew, 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. Is this virus a bat? Okay, like I don't understand. So the virus does not operate here during the day. The virus only operates at night. So the virus is what? A witch, a bat. The wisdom of men. God, like, who is advising this our president? Because I don't know. That was the first thing that came into my head when I saw it. I said, who is advising this man? Because I don't know what is going on. So curfew from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. is supposed to do what exactly? Supposed to help reduce the spread of the virus. And people, and guys, Lagos state, the population in that state is something else. And the traffic also that people experience in that state is also crazy. And sometimes people close from work by what, 6 p.m, 5 p.m. Sometimes they're in traffic for 4-5 hours. How are they supposed to get home before 8 p.m? And if you see anybody now like outside from 8 p.m, you start what? You start flogging them, or you start arresting them, or you start doing what exactly? I don't know who is advising that man, but I think they should fire his advisor. I think they should fire anybody that is advising that man, because that person is not doing his job. Because if that person is doing his job, that person would have known what to tell that man. But right now, that advisor needs to be fired. Because how can you tell people in Lagos State, Nigeria, that they need to be home before 8 p.m? How is it going to work? Call work is not gonna work. So, like, Nigeria, Nigeria, it is well. That is all I can say. Okay, that country, it is well, because I don't know what is going on. Guys, please, I want to know your thoughts. If you know what is going on in that country, this curfew, the lockdown, the easing of the lockdown, which one do you think is better? Guys, like, seriously, for me, okay, I don't even know, because I understand the lockdown. I also understand the easing of the lockdown because of hunger. People are suffering from this pandemic. People are also suffering from hunger virus. So we have the pandemic virus, because I can't say the other name. Yeah, YouTube, you know. So we have the pandemic virus and we have the hunger virus. So I understand, okay, the need of them issuing the lockdown. I also understand why people want to, you know, come out, because guys, they have to work, they have to eat. It's crazy. It's crazy. So, but I don't understand that 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew that our wonderful president issued. So guys, I want to know your thoughts in the comment section. And yeah, I know I am being lazy today. This, we're going to do it next time. I am going to do it next time. I am, because right now I'm hungry. I've not had anything to eat this morning, and it's already, well, 1 p.m. now, 2 p.m. Yeah, I'm hungry, guys. I have been working. Okay, it's not like I've not been lazing about today. Nah, I've been working, guys. So I've been busy in the house doing things. Yeah, doing things. And I shot a video, so I did something, and I'm shooting another video now, even though what I wanted to do in this video, like, you know, I didn't achieve it, but yeah, I still, yeah. So for my hair, maybe I'll wash it tomorrow, or guys, I don't know. Okay, I'm just tired right now, and I'm not sure I want to do anything anymore. I just want to eat and edit some videos. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Please leave your comments in the comment sections. I want to know your thoughts, and give this video a thumbs up, or like, which is a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Okay, share my videos, guys, and yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. I hope your day is going better than mine. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.